Hello everyone, my name is Deprecated. I am the founder of Global Eyes Modern Technologies. Today, I want to talk about how Google Analytics 4 can help businesses and marketers with several outcomes, including unifying cross-platform data and providing more customer data after the initial acquisition, such as engagements, monetization, and retention. For the benefit of those who don't know what Google Analytics 4 is all about, Google Analytics 4, also known as GA4, is an analytics service that lets you to measure traffic and engagement across your apps and your website. If you have a website as well as an app, you can use GA4, that's Google Analytics 4, for cross-platform analysis. The tool combines data from your app and your website, allowing you to track user journey across both platforms. This is unlike the universal analytics, which only allow you to track web-based data. From the developer's point of view, GA4 offers 4 multiple developer products to manage and interact with your property, and this includes run reports and export audience using Data API, configure your account, property and data stream with Admin API, send events for server-to-server and offline interaction with measurements and protocol, process deletion of data associated with a given user identified with User Deletion API. In case you are not aware, by March 2024, the Universal Analytic feature will be deprecated as Google is now shifting resources to focus on Google Analytics 4. Google Analytics 4 or GA4 was designed to be able to evolve for the future and built with a privacy at its core. It is now recommended that Universal Analytic 360 users switch to Google Analytics 4 and complete historical data exports not later than March 2024. Google Analytics 4 property has Rollup reporting built in. GA4 Rollup reporting is much more accurate than the one provided by Google Analytics 3. Google Analytics 4 provides much more accurate cross-device insights than GA3. Google Analytics 4 provides you with some key benefits out of the box, and this includes built-in roll-up reporting, automatic tracking for certain types of events, debugging with reporting interface, better user privacy control options, free connection with BigQueries, exploration reporting templates, easy domain tracking setup, enhanced data visualization capability, and many more. The list is endless. Google Analytics 4 is a new kind of property with different kinds of reports than what we used to be seeing in Universal Analytic properties. If your website uses a Universal Analytic properties and you want to use Google Analytics 4, you must make a switch to Google Analytics 4 to have these new beautiful features provided by GA4. Finally, please visit our YouTube channel to learn more about Google Analytics, and also subscribe so that you will be notified once we publish our new training. Please subscribe, comment, share, and like. See you in our next training video.